School quiz. Of course, my name is Deogracious, your moderator tonight.
My name is Mugume Hilary. I'm in P7.
My name is Ampire Shadia. I'm in P7.
Yes.
My name is Akatkunda Blessing in P7.
My name is Tumsume Cyrus. I'm from Nakasero Primary School, P7.
Question 1 goes to Clever's Origin Primary School. How are eagles adapted to their mode of feeding?
They have sharp beaks that enable them to catch their prey.
Correct answer, 3 points. Next question goes to Nakasero Primary School. Your question is, use the correct form of the word in brackets. Having dash on his bed for an hour, he fell asleep. The word in brackets is lie.
Lane.
Lane, correct answer, 3 points. Next question goes to Clever's Origin. Spell the word occurrence.
OCCURANCE.
Wrong answer. Why is the trachea covered with rings of cartilage?
To prevent the trachea from collapsing.
To prevent the trachea from collapsing? No. Wrong answer. We use scientific words to prevent the trachea from suffocation. That's the scientific word that I wanted. The cost of 9 plates is 7,200 shillings. How many plates can one buy for 9,600 shillings? Less than 5 seconds.
9 plates.
9 plates, wrong answer. The correct answer is 12 plates. Next question goes to Nakasero Primary School. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between 24 and 261?
237.
Correct, 237. A big round of applause. Next question goes to Clever's Origin. Are you ready? What is amisom in full? 10 seconds. Time up. Time up. AMISOM in full is African Union Mission in Somalia. So you get no point. The next question goes to Nakasero Primary School. Give one word to mean the state of not knowing how to read and write.
Illiteracy.
Correct answer, 3 points. Next question goes to Clever's Origin. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? The question is, Mr. Mubiru is the shyest teacher in our school. Use shyer.
Of the 2 teachers, Mr. Mubiru is the shyer.
Wrong answer. Because the question didn't specify how many teachers are in the school. So you can't say of the 2 teachers. The correct answer would be Mr. Mubiru is the shyer of all the teachers in our school. Or Mr. Mubiru is shyer than all the teachers in our school. No mark and. Next question goes to Nakasero Primary School. Which substance in cigarette is highly addictive?
Nicotine.
Nicotine, correct, 3 points. Hand clap. Next question goes to Clever's Origin. Which hormone controls the development of male sex organs in male adolescents? You have less than 8 seconds.
X genes.
Wrong. The correct answer is testosterone. Next question goes to Nakasero Primary School. What simplest fraction represents 331 over 3?
One whole number, 11 whole numbers and 1 out of 3.
Wrong. The correct answer is a third. The last question under this segment goes to Clever's origin. What do we call an enclosure for prisoners in a courthouse?
A dock.
A dock. Correct answer, 3 points. A big round of applause for them. And of course, lastly, in this segment, Nakasero Primary School, your question: what is 216 in root 3?
$72.
Wrong answer. The correct answer is 6. A very big round of applause for both teams. And of course, both teams are really working well. Let's go for a very short commercial break. Welcome back from the short commercial break. Of course, this is segment 2 of the face-to-face school quiz. Question 1 goes to Clever's Origin Primary School. Your question is: mention one force that a pulley overcomes when raising a load.
Gravitation force.
Correct, 3 points. A round of applause for Clever's Origin. Second question goes to Nakasero Primary School. State one role played by George Whitehouse during the construction of the Uganda Railway.
George Whitehouse was the chief surveyor.
Wrong answer. The correct answer is he was the chief engineer and overall supervisor of the project. Next question goes to Clever's Origin. Your question is: what is the opposite of the word fresh?
Stale.
Stale. Correct, 3 points. Next question goes to Nakasero. Your question is: what causes the noise when closing and opening a class door?
Friction.
Friction. Correct answer. 3 points. Clever's Origin, your question is: what number is even, counting, whole, and prime as well?
2.
2, correct answer, 3 points. Nakasero, your question: fill in the missing word. Boaz will go to consult the dash because his spectacles got broken.
Optician.
Optician, correct, 3 points. A round of applause for both teams. They are really doing well. Clever's Origin, your question: how can echoes be dangerous to human beings?
They interrupt with their communication.
Correct, 3 points. Next question goes to Nakasero. Your question is: if today is Friday, what day of the week will it be after 46 days?
It will be a Thursday.
No. The day will be a Tuesday. Next question goes to Clever's Origin. What do we call the people from Somalia?
Somalis.
Wrong. The word is Somali, not Somalis. Welcome back from that short commercial break, and of course this is the face-to-face school quiz. My name is Dale. Edison crushed garlic and Esther in the next room smelled it. What process enabled the smell of garlic to reach Esther in the next room? And time up. No mark and. The correct answer is diffusion. Next question goes to Clever's origin. By what process is food in ruminants returned to the mouth for chewing?
Reabsorption.
Reabsorption, wrong answer. The correct answer is antperistalsis. Next question goes to Nakasero Primary School. While the snake was hissing, the ape was dash. Fill in correctly.
Gibbling.
The answer is gibbering, not gibbling. Next question goes to Clever's origin. What name is given to the white part of an egg?
Egg white.
Wrong. The correct answer is albumen. The last question goes to Nakasero Primary School. To which group of ungulates does a horse belong?
Odd-toed ungulates.
Correct. Odd-toed ungulates. 3 points for Nakasero Primary School, and a very big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for both teams. Both teams are really Welcome back from that short commercial break, and of course this is the face-to-face school quiz. My name is Dale. Question 1 goes to Clever's origin. Your question is, name the explorer who made 3 journeys to East Africa.
Henry Morton Stanley.
Correct. Henry Morton Stanley. 3 points. A round of applause. Second question goes to Nakasero Primary School. Your question is, what are multi-purpose river projects?
Multi-purpose river projects are dams that are set up on rivers to serve many purposes.
Correct answer. 3 points. Next question goes to Clever's origin. How many days are in the month of August?
31 days.
Correct answer. 3 points. Over to you, Nakasero Primary School. Your question is, what is the value of 2 in 231 base 5? Time up. Time up. The correct answer would be 50. Next question goes to Clever's origin. Your question is, what is the effect of methyl alcohol on a person's eyes? You have less than 10 seconds.
It leads to blindness.
It leads to blindness. Correct answer. 3 points. Nakasero Primary School, your question. What is the common name for calcium carbonate?
Sodium.
Sodium, wrong answer. The correct answer is chalk. Use the correct form of the word in brackets. The clothes were dashed on a weak line. The word in brackets is hung.
Hanged.
Can you spell the hung you are talking about?
H-U-N-G-E-D.
H-U-N-G-E-D. Wrong. The correct answer is hung, which is H-U-N-G. So no marks earned. Next question goes to Nakasero Primary School. Mention one example of a saprophyte.
A mushroom.
Correct, mushrooms. 3 points. Clever's origin. Your question. Where do we find the East African Community Parliament?
Arusha in Tanzania.
Correct, 3 points. Nakasero, mention the plural form of the word his. His.
Theirs.
Wrong. It is their, not theirs. Next question goes to Clever's origin. What does a female Anopheles mosquito use to pierce the skin of an animal?
Proboscis.
Wrong. The correct answer is stylet. We shall have lunch at 1 p.m. Daniela's father will arrive at 2 p.m. Join the sentences beginning by the time.
By the time Daniela's father arrives at 2 p.m., we will have already had lunch.
Wrong. The correct answer is by the time Daniela's father arrives, we shall have had lunch. Next question under this segment goes to Clever's origin. Your question is, what is Emperor Haile Selassie remembered for? You have less than 8 seconds.
Emperor Haile Selassie proposed the name Organization of African Unity in 1963.
Wrong. Wrong answer. No points earned. Emperor Haile Selassie offered land for building the headquarters of the OAU. Give the role of the artery found in the umbilical cord.
To transport oxygenated blood to the embryo, the fetus.
Repeat your answer.
To supply oxygenated blood to the fetus.
Wrong. The correct answer is to transport D. Please stay tuned. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have the final result. And this is how both teams have fared. In round 1, Clever's Origin had 6 marks, Nakasero Primary School 15 marks. In round 2, Clever's Origin had 12 marks, Nakasero Primary School 9. In round 3, the final round, Clever's Origin gathered a total of 12 marks, Nakasero Primary School gathered a total of 6 marks. Now, wait, the final result. Clever's Origin, if you get the sum of 6, 12, and 12, you get 30. Nakasero Primary School, if you get the sum of 15, 9, and 6, you get 30. So, both schools have tied at 30 in this round. And of course, just like I said, the marks are cumulative. So as the schools are coming back to verse other schools, we are putting these marks in our pocket so that we can add on to the marks that we are going to get when we are versing other schools. But of course, I want to thank the participants so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. And of course, the teachers, thank you so much for training these students. The tie is